Hello and welcome back. On the board today, the quantity 1½ square minus 2 and 1/4 divided by 1½ Three operations, three priorities. By the way, if you find this channel useful and want help us to grow, please support us by liking the video, leaving a comment, sharing it with a friend or classmate, and subscribing. It really makes difference. Now let's solve it together. Before we start, there are two common traps to avoid here. The first is trying to square the whole number and fraction separately. The second is just reading the problem left to right, which actually makes the whole expressions collapse to zero. Doing either of these will lead you to the wrong answer. So let's bypass both traps and solve it the exact way. We follow the PEMDAS rule. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In our problem, the first step is the exponent. Remember, we never square or mix numbers separately. We convert it first. 1½ becomes 3/2. Now we square the top and the bottom. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. So our first term is exactly 9/4. Division sits above subtraction, so it must go next. 2 and 1/4 is 9/4. 1½ is 3/2. Remember, keep, change, flip. 9/4 times 2/3, cross cancel. 9 and 3 reduce to 3 and 1. 4 and 2 reduce to 2 and 1. That gives 3/2. Now for the final step, subtraction. We have our square theorem, 9/4 minus our division result, 3/3 becomes 6/4. 9/4 minus 6/4 is 3/4, not 0, 3/4. The expression never collapses when every operation waits its turn. PEMDAS rule is a strict order, not a suggestion. Now your turn. On the screen, the quantity 2½ square minus 1 and 1/4 multiplied by 2 divided by 2½ exponent, subtraction, multiplication, and division on our equation. The full rule. Drop your answer in the comments. I'll pin the correct one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.